No, you got to get close. So can you please explain how this little motor works?
Stirling hot air engine. Heat expansion on the lower piston, the hot piston. As it moves back, air can escape up into the cool piston. The heat dissipated out on the fins of the cylinder. Low vacuum will pull the piston back and keep repeating the procedure.
And what speed do you have? What RPM do you have?
Recording it. 1400?
Yeah, 1436.
So there's no gasoline in this engine?
No gasoline, other just hot air.
Just hot air that makes it work.
Yes.
And
expansion and contraction.
And what do you call this engine?
A Stirling heat engine.
A Stirling heat engine. Okay, we're trying to get a reading now. Looks like 1,328 RPM. Very good. Thank you very much.